Well, I chose to sign up with Norcom basically because I heard a lot of people in the industry at the time talking about this super company, and I hadn't been associated with them. So after doing some research and looking into them, we thought we would be a good fit.
I chose Norcom because one of the representatives gave me a lot of ideas as to different methods or different programs that they have available, which might be the same as other lenders, but the difference is that he was more accessible. He would take my calls after hours, during hours.
What I like about Norcom versus any of the banks that we have dealt with or are dealing with now is that we can actually close a loan. I can turn around to a real estate agent and say, I can have my loan closed in 22 to 30 days. And they're like, really? No, we heard 90. No, absolutely not. 20 to 30 days, we're done. We have an ongoing relationship not only with our account rep, but also with underwriters. We can talk to someone and not just get email. And the service is great. They are always there for us.
I think Norcom does a lot of things better than the competition. I think the number one thing is the way we communicate with our brokers.
I think what we do better is we communicate better with the brokers than anyone else. You know, it's not always about the best price. It's not always about having that niche product. It's about how do you communicate with a broker. When things go well, you don't need a great wholesaler. You don't need a great team behind you. It's when things go south on a loan is when you need, that's when the people can shine.
What makes Norcom lending different than the other lenders that I work with is their level of service. I can call here, speak to my account executive, and get things done. Unlike a lot of other lenders that we work with, you don't have the availability of these people at your beck and call.
I think 99% of the brokers that do sign up with us, that do send in business, end up sending in repeat business. We don't have a lot of people, I have next to no one that signs up with us one time, sends one loan in, and never sends it again. Because once they get our process down, they get our products down, they feel comfortable with us. They know they can talk to us, they can talk to our underwriters, that we're here to help them.
The best features they have right now is that you could speak to an underwriter when you have a question versus not being able to talk to anybody, or even the rep doesn't even know what the loan scenarios are and what's out there for the programs.
Yeah, I think one of the things that definitely separates us is the access that our brokers have to all of our operations team, including our underwriters. We don't shelter our underwriters away from the brokers.
I would say ultimately the ability for our brokers to communicate with any part of the operations staff is definitely huge, and something that I haven't had in previous companies that I've worked with.
The team itself is really the best thing for Norcom, and it's what makes us great.
I mean, we really want our brokers to thrive and to be successful in this business. So we're all working towards the same goal, and that's getting loans closed and putting people in houses, and that's what it's really all about.
They make it easy. And in my line of work, you need it to be easy. I can walk out and have 3 conditions on a loan. It doesn't get better than that.
I would tell a broker that's considering Norcom Mortgage Wholesale as an option for brokering to give us a shot, because once you give us that shot, we'll show you that we are best in class in service and the ability to help you get your loans closed quicker.
I would tell another broker that's considering working with Norcom Wholesale that they should take a look at their interest rates, because they're very competitive, and that their level of service at Norcom is impeccable. You have the ability to reach out to the representatives and actually get things done.
Well, if another broker asked me who I think they should sign up with and work with, Norcom would be the definite choice.
If I knew of a broker that was signing up with Norcom, my first reaction would be to tell them all the good things. But then there's that internal side, that other dark side of me that's like, don't go there. Because why would I want my competition to have the same ace in their pocket that I have?
I don't want any other brokers to work with Norcom. That way I can close all my loans.